Today we will explore slope, and at any time, if I'm going too fast, you can just stop or pause the video. Slope is the rate of change between any 2 points on a line. Slope measures the steepness of a line. Slope is a ratio of the vertical change, called the rise, to the horizontal change, called the run, between any 2 points on a line. We often call the slope rise over run. Slope is written as a fraction in simplest form. And the variable that we use for slope is m. We can have positive slopes, okay, that the slope starts down at the left and it goes up as you go to the right. So when the line slopes upward from left to right. Okay, a negative slope is when a line slopes downward from left to right. Now let's look at two guided examples on how to find slope given 2 points. Example number 1. First thing I decide, is this a positive or a negative slope? And it is a positive slope. I'm going to find the 2 dots on the line, which they give me. Sometimes they don't, so you have to find 2 good points. Here they did, and I'm going to find the rise over the run. So I took my highlighter tool and I counted how far up between the 2 points and then how far over between the 2 points. And then I colored in a triangle. So if I count that, so I'm going to count starting at the bottom point, and I notice I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up, and 1, 2, 3 over. So I wrote my fraction as 6 over 3. That can be simplified to 2 over 1 or just 2. Next, I'm going to look at number 2. Number 2 I know is going in a negative direction. So next to m equals, I'm going to put a negative sign right away. Then I'm going to create a triangle between the 2 points. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go right. And I'm going to draw that as best as I can. I might go back over here and make it a little bit easier to see. Okay, so when I go down, I'm going down 3. So 3 is my top, my numerator. And when I go over, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer to this is negative 3 over 5. So now I would like you to try these 8 problems on your own. Create the triangle and count the rise over the run. And remember, check to see if it's positive or negative first and get that part out of the way. You may use a light colored marker to help you draw the triangles or a highlighter. Please, if you borrow anything, put it back. And on this last page, we're going to explore 2 other slopes. We have a slope of 0. So any horizontal line has a slope of 0. Just like in number 3 here. So if it's a horizontal line, it has a slope of 0. So anytime you see a horizontal line, it has a slope of 0. If you look at number 4 is special because it is a vertical line. Okay, vertical lines are undefined. They are called undefined. Again, if you put something up against this vertical line and you drop it, it will fall straight to the ground and bounce. And that is why we call it undefined. And we will explore this more when we start doing it using mathematical way and the formula. Again, our 0 slope, if I were to lay something like on your desk, it won't fall off because your desk has a slope of 0. It's horizontal. Good luck and try the next page.